Hi, I'm Glenn, president of ERD, an electronics repair company that's been resurrecting electronics since 1995. This is our wall of awards, of which we've received from the SBA and from the federal government for exporting service all over the world. And it also contains our antique 1920s radio collection that reminds us of the breadth and age of electronics that we can work on. Other repair companies would send us in boards like this, and our job for many years was to figure out the unfigureoutable. We work on a broad range of items, from PLCs used in wastewater treatment plants to control boards out of obsolete machines that we don't even know what the machine does. At ERD, it's always changing. Our employees are the difference. They're not technicians, they're not engineers, they're problem solvers. At ERD, no matter what it is fixable.